Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To pull the wiper arm off, we have this little cover here. Take a flat blade screwdriver, just get in behind here. Pull this little cover off. Next we'll take this nut off with a 12mm socket and a ratchet. Hold the arm while you break the nut free. You can pull the nut off. All right, to get this off, take the arm. We're gonna try to go back and forth and pull right off. We're gonna use a deep 24mm socket and a ratchet to get this nut off. If you don't have a 24mm socket, you can use an adjustable wrench. You just gotta be careful. Once it breaks free, you can spin it by hand. Pull that off, and then we'll pull this cover off. All right, we gotta pull this handle off. We're gonna pull this trim piece off with just a straight blade screwdriver to expose the bolts. These two 10mm bolts. I'm gonna use a 10mm socket and an extension and a ratchet. Take that bolt out. I'll take this one out. And the handle will come right off. Now we're gonna use some trim tools to get the push pins off. You can buy these at 1aauto.com. Slide in here. These little push pins right there. Come all around here. So once you get all those push pins out, then you're gonna pull the lift gate down a little bit, open up the lift glass, and then this panel will go up like that. And you can set that aside. Disconnect this electrical connector here. There's 4 10mm bolts we're going to take out. Break them free first with a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. When you're pulling the last bolt out, support the wiper transmission so it doesn't fall. Slide this part out on this side and then slide it over here. Our connector, we're gonna use a trim tool. Pull the retainer off the connector. Just like that. And there's your wiper motor and transmission. Disconnect this connector right here. Just push on this little tab right there and pull it out. I'm going to take these 10mm nuts out. There's 3 right here and there's 1 over here. I'll use a 10mm, a deep 10mm socket and an extension and a ratchet. Take those nuts off. This last one, you can go through this hole. Pull that last nut out. And grab that and pull that. Grab this rubber grommet. Work it out. Just like that. And you can pull the connector out. Now it's out. Now I'll put these wires back in the hole. Push this grommet through. You can use a little flat blade screwdriver to help push it in. You can line these studs up with the holes and push that on. Now we're going to install the nuts. And I'll take our ratchet and snug these up. And we'll line the connector up. And lock it in. All right, we're going to slide this back in. Slip this over here on the right side. And I get all the bolt holes lined up. I'm going to start all the bolts. Once they're all started, then you can snug them all down. Now they're all snug. Now we can reposition the connector and then connect it like so. Okay, we'll put this cover over here. Put the nut back on. And just snug this up with a 24mm socket and ratchet. Okay, so I'm gonna just activate the rear wiper just to get it into the park position. And there it's in the park position, and then I will shut the key off. Okay, I'm doing that so that I know that the motor's in the correct position before I put the wiper arm on. When we had the motor out, the motor could have moved or gotten in the wrong position. Or if you're replacing the motor, then you retime it to where it's supposed to be in the park position. Now I'm gonna put the wiper arm on, push it down, put it in the park spot. I'll put this nut on. Now I'll take my 12mm socket and a ratchet, snug this down, hold the arm while you're snugging it. I'll take the cap, put the cap on, just press it down. All right, now we'll take the key, open the lift glass. We're gonna take the panel. We're going to get the panel over this, right there. Then we could close the lift glass. Now we're going to line up the push pins in the back. Push those in. Line those up. I'm going to reinstall this handle. There's a little tab right there that lines up with that hole. We'll line that up. And we'll take our 10mm bolts. Get that one started. And get this one started. And we'll snug them up. Just like that. Not too tight, it is plastic. And then push the cover over, push that cover over.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.